At a dance studio with dance owner Oleg, and we're going to start getting some moves going for summer. What are we learning today?
So today we prepared for you super simple dance. It's called Bachata. All you need to know is how to do 3-step to the side. Let's try with us. So we go with the left leg. We're going side, together, side. So it's only 3 steps. Let's do it again. From the left leg starting. Side, together, side. And at the end we'll do a little bit small tapping action. We just slightly tap. So we have 4 counts to do it. 1, 2, 3, tap. And we're gonna do exactly the same other way. 1, 2, 3, tap. Let's bend our knees, make this body move, loosen up a little bit, and here we go a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. If we can do it side, we can do it forward and back. So let's try exactly the same action forward. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. And at the end, let's add a little bit chili pepper spiciness. We're gonna add small turn, but still we'll do 3 steps and tap at the end. So we turn. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. And from here to finish up, we're gonna do some improvisational moves. We're gonna walk around, turn around, and then finish with the some dance pose. For the guys will be more spread it, for the girls sexy with the arm up.
I like the arm moves.
And
nice.
this dance is called Bachata.
Bachata. All right, well, let's start getting those dance moves going.
Let's do it. Change partners.
Change partners. Woo!